malfunction, it is malfunction type 3. If you have a backup gun, I would invite you to probably completely just count on that. But the problem is sometimes you don't have a backup gun. So we should always learn to clear also malfunction type 3. How to set it up? You want to have, first of all, a round in the chamber. In this case, of course, we always use snap caps, round in the chamber. Then we have a loaded magazine. Of course, we are using snap caps with at least a couple rounds in the magazine. Now that's the way we're going to look. Going to look one round in the chamber and one round stuck behind. So it's kind of called double feed. Okay? What happened? It did not instruct the round in the chamber. So we have the gun with the slide locked and not usable. So we are on target. We see something happens. We're going to fill now the gun with a funny trigger, different from the emergency reload. First of all, we do finger straight, look and move. The step or running, that would be even better. It's fundamental. But first learn without moving. Look and move. Lock the slide. I want to make sure the slide is locked. Remove the magazine. Retain it with a pinky. Now, this cartridge that was stuck in the chamber may already have fallen. What? We don't care. May not even. So we do 3 streaks. 1, 2, and 3. 3 racks. Then we reinsert and rack again back into the fight. I would like to learn this one completely from moving and also with the eyes closed, because you may have to do something like that completely while you're running, maybe in the middle of the night. So let's do it one more time without talking. When I set it up, function type 3 with blindfolded.